Hi students, so now we will discuss the tautological implication and normal forms. So first we will see the normal tautological implication. The name itself tautological, already we know the what is a tautology, the truth value is always true. Okay, implication means conditional. So tautologically implication. Okay. So after tautological implication we will see the normal forms, why you are using the normal forms, how many types of normal forms. Okay. First let's start with the tautological implication. So first see here definition of tautological implication. A statement formula A is said to be tautologically imply a statement B. So here statement A formula A is the one statement formula and B is the another statement formula. So when we have to say the statement formula A is said to be a tautologically implied to statement B if and only if A conditional B is a tautology. That means if A is the one statement formula and B is the another statement formula, we are having the some truth values of statement formula for A and we are having the some truth values of statement formula B. So whenever doing the conditional in between the statement formula and statement formula B, the truth values are true, then we can say that if A is a tautologically implied to B, or if B is a tautologically implied by A. Okay. Next, so if A tautologically implies B is read as A implies B. Here A tautologically implies symbol is not a connective, it not a statement formula. It is a tautological implication symbol. So see here, prove that P conditional Q tautologically implies negation Q conditional negation P. Okay, so here P conditional Q can treat it as a capital A and negation Q conditional negation P treated as a capital B. Whenever we are performing capital A conditional capital B, it is a tautology. Then we can say that this one is tautologically implies to this one, or this one is tautologically implied by this one. Based on P conditional Q is tautologically implied by this one. Okay. So here we are having the two variables, that is the P condition P comma Q. We are getting the four possibilities. So first you can find out the PQ and negation Q negation P. After that P conditional Q and negation Q conditional negation P. So the P conditional Q values is true false true true, and the truth values of negation Q conditional negation P is true false true true. So then you have to find out the A conditional B. So here the truth values are all are true. So the given formula is tautologically implied to tautologically implied negation Q conditional negation P. Okay, this one is the tautological implication. And coming to the normal forms. So why are using the normal forms? Any statement formula we are having the 4 or 5 variables, then we cannot write the truth table for the 4 or 5 variables. For example, we are getting the 4 variables, 2 power 4 possibilities if it is possible. And if it is 5 different variables, we are having the 2 power 5, 32 possibilities. It is not possible to construct the truth table. That's why you can go for the normal forms, and the given statement formula you can generalize in the form of normal form. Okay, either we can prove that tautology, either we can prove that contradiction. By using normal forms also we can prove that. Okay, in normal forms we are having the 4 types of normal forms: disjunctive normal form, conjunctive normal form, and principal disjunctive normal form, principal conjunctive normal form. First we will see the DNF and CNF. Already we know the what is disjunctive, what is conjunctive. Disjunctive is nothing but or, and conjunctive is nothing but and. So see here definitions. A product of the variables, product is nothing but conjunction and will be treated as a product. The first video we will discuss, and their negation in a formula is called elementary product. So here let P and Q are the any two atomic variables, then P comma negation P and Q, negation Q and P, and negation P comma P and Q and negation P are some examples of elementary products. Elementary products nothing but conjunction. Product is nothing but conjunction. That is nothing but CNF. Okay. Here sum of variables and their negations is nothing but elementary sum. Elementary sum is nothing but it is a disjunct and DNF. Okay. So any part of elementary sum or product which is itself an elementary sum or product is called as a factor of that original elementary sum or product. So this is the CNF and DNF. Next we will see the examples. So first DNF, disjunctive normal form. First see once the definition. A formula which is equivalent to the given formula and consists of sum of elementary products. So disjunctive means here sum. That's why here we are sum of elementary products. Sum of, that means R of nothing but braces of product. Product means and conjunction. Okay, is called as disjunctive normal of the given formula. So the see here obtain disjunctive normal form. The first bit is the P and P conditional Q and the second one is the this one. So here we are having the three steps. I cannot write here. I tell you. The first process, the first step of the DNF, first you have to remove the conditional. In your given formula, we are having any conditional by conditional statement. First you have to remove. Okay. And the next one, is there any negation in front of formula? We can remove that negation by using De Morgan's laws. Already we know what is the De Morgan law. Okay. And third one, apply the distributive law until you have to reach the sum of elementary products. Either 2 times, 3 times, 1 time, either 4, 5 times, many times. Up to you have to reach the sum of elementary products. You can apply the distributive. The 3 steps we can use the obtain DNF. Okay. So we have to consider the first formula P and P conditional Q. The first step of the normal form is remove the conditional conditional by conditional. So in our given formula we are having the conditional statement. So already we know what is the formula for P conditional Q. It is equivalent to negation P R Q. So that's why we have to write down here negation P R Q. Is there any negations in front of formula? Not in front of variable, in front of formula. So here negations are not there. So the third one is apply the distributive law. For example, you have to apply the distributive law. We are having different symbols. One is AND, one is OR. So here is AND, here is OR. So now you have to apply the distributive law. How we can apply the distributive law? P and negation P, R is as it is, and P and Q. So the DNF is sum of elementary products. So sum of product. So the given formula is equivalent to the this one, and it is in the form of sum of elementary products. And take the next example, negation of PRQ by conditional P and Q. Okay. So first you have to remove the conditional by conditional statement. So in the given formula we are having the by conditional statement, you have to remove the by conditional. So by conditional is equivalent to, for example, R by conditional S is equivalent to R and S, or negation R and negation S. Okay. So that same as we have to apply this one. After that, is there any negations in front of? So here negations is there. You have to apply the negations. Okay. After that, apply the negations. You have to apply the distributive law. After that, the disjunctive normal form DNF is reached. Okay. And conjunctive normal form. In the same as DNF for the product of elementary sums. But 3 steps are same in the DNF, but the last apply the distributive until you can reach product of elementary sums. So here I will explain the first formula P and P conditional Q. So the given one we are having the condition, we have to remove the negation P or Q. You can remove the conditional statement by using negation P or Q. So it is in the form of product of sum or not. So this one is the product, this one is the sum. So here CNF is nothing but product of elementary sum. The same as the second one is also you have to remove the first by conditional. So after that you have to check once in front of negations is there, you can remove it. After that you have to apply the distributive law until